Have you ever wondered how ethical hacking works? Specifically, how hackers scan for vulnerabilities on networks and systems? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of scanning, a pivotal step in ethical hacking and cybersecurity. We'll explore how to use Kali Linux and Metasploitable, two essential tools for any aspiring ethical hacker. Kali Linux, a powerful Linux distribution filled to the brim with penetration testing tools, and Metasploitable, an intentionally vulnerable virtual machine, perfect for honing your hacking skills. Scanning is akin to peering through a keyhole, assessing the security of a building before attempting a break-in. It's the process of probing a target network or system to gather information about its vulnerabilities, services, and open ports. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to perform a basic scan using Kali Linux and Metasploitable. First things first, fire up your Kali Linux terminal. Kali Linux is a robust distribution specifically designed for advanced penetration testing and cybersecurity. It comes packed with a plethora of tools that can aid in everything from network analysis to password cracking, and one of the most popular tools in its arsenal is Nmap. Nmap, standing for Network Mapper, is a versatile tool used for network discovery and security auditing. It's like a Swiss Army knife for ethical hackers, allowing us to probe networks and systems to uncover potential weak points. Now, let's get hands-on. To initiate a basic scan using Nmap, you'll need to know the IP address of your target. Once you have that, simply type nmap followed by the IP address into your terminal and hit enter. As the scan runs, Nmap works its magic behind the scenes, sending out a series of probes to the target and analyzing the responses. It's like knocking on every door in a building to see which ones are open, who answers, and what they're doing. Once the scan is complete, Nmap presents us with a detailed report. It lists the open ports on the target, along with the services running on those ports. It can even identify the operating system of the target machine. This information is the bread and butter for an ethical hacker, providing valuable insights into potential vulnerabilities that could be exploited. But remember, the goal here is not to exploit these vulnerabilities for malicious intent. Instead, we use this information to understand the target's weak points and work towards strengthening its defenses. So, there you have it. With just a few commands, we've used Nmap to scan a network and gather valuable information about a target. As we can see, Nmap provides a wealth of information that can be used to identify potential vulnerabilities in our target. Remember, the power of ethical hacking lies not in the exploitation of vulnerabilities, but in the strengthening of defenses. Now, let's switch gears and look at Metasploitable. This virtual machine is intentionally riddled with vulnerabilities, making it an ideal testing ground for honing your ethical hacking skills. It's like a digital sandbox where you can practice without causing real-world damage. Metasploitable, in a nutshell, is a safe environment for you to apply what you've learned about scanning and exploiting vulnerabilities without the legal and ethical implications of breaking into a live system. So let's take the information we've gathered from our Nmap scan and see what we can do. As you recall, Nmap provided us a wealth of information about our target, including open ports and services running on those ports. It's like we've been given a roadmap to the target system's vulnerabilities. Now, the exciting part begins. Using this information, we can start to exploit these vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access. But don't forget, we're doing this to understand how a potential attacker might operate and, most importantly, how to stop them. The beauty of Metasploitable is that it allows you to experience the thrill of hacking while reinforcing the importance of cybersecurity and the potential consequences of weak system defenses. Remember, ethical hacking is all about learning how to secure systems, not exploiting them for malicious purposes. And there you have it. That's the basics of scanning with Kali Linux and Metasploitable. We've delved into the fundamentals of scanning, a critical step in ethical hacking and cybersecurity. We've also explored how to use powerful tools like Nmap and practiced on Metasploitable, an intentionally vulnerable virtual machine. Remember, the goal of ethical hacking is to learn, secure systems, and always act responsibly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity tutorials. Until next time, happy hacking.